How we all doing? It's Monday. It's day 5 on the Queenless colony and doing an experiment to um, watch them make queen cells and try to get a timeline on certain things. And if you're just jumping on, we're basically at 4 queen cells that I have marked down. And there seems to be a 5th that they are working on right now, right there. So this frame's pretty hot for that, as far as the cells. And I have seen that this is the first time I've seen these bees down here working on. There's some larvae. Try to get it so you can see it here. Some larvae and so forth in there, and they kind of like haven't been doing much with. They kind of all moved up here working on the queen cells. Now this was one of the first ones that we saw, and it hasn't grown much as far as length. There's a bigger one on the other side, so we had 2 to start off with. 3's going pretty quick. Actually, it's probably almost longer than the first one, number 1. And then 4, they have attached to the glass, and they are working pretty good on that one as well. And on this side is just the one, which was number 2, and that one is definitely going to be the longest one. It's probably close to about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches now. The bees are pretty much on this pretty heavy. Pretty close to being capped. There's a lot of bees. You can see the tip of it right there. So they're pretty active. They also kind of discarded this area down here as well. As you can see, it looked like they were starting a queen cup down below, but that looks like that was on a drone cell. So not sure what was going on with that. But so it's day 5. They're pretty active, pretty exciting to watch. There is more bees emerging, as you see that little guy right there coming out. And I think there's a drone on the other side. So this one was pretty quick. Come on, little buddy. So that's another bee emerging, coming out. This one's a little quicker than yesterday. As you see, when they come out there, that little bee just came in right there below them. Is actually a new bee as well. You can see how fuzzy they are. There's a little guy. So you just witnessed another bee emerging. So May 11th, I'll keep you updated. They've been really going into the honey and to the pollen, working up and down and uncapping it and feeding these cells, these queen cells. So that's all I have for you today. We'll see how tonight is. Thank you for watching. Child Bee Company.